Daily English, day 12. So if you're watching this video, please know that there is a PDF file available with gap fill exercises and different activities. It's available from eflsongs.com. It's free. Just click, download. You're welcome to use it. Word bank. Back, through, long, where, much, should, well, people. A-B conversation. Listen to the conversation, fill in the blanks using the words from the word bank. Then listen again and read the captions for the answers. Where have you been? I didn't see you at lunch. I was in the library, going through the new science book. Oh, I've wanted to read that one for a long time. You should. It's full of cool facts and experiments. Thanks, I'll check it out after class. Sounds good. It's on the back shelf near the window. Great. I'll head there soon. You'll enjoy it. Many people say it's very useful. Okay, listening script 1. Listen to the short story, fill in the blanks using the words from the word bank. Then listen again and read the captions for the answers. We walked back to the school after our field trip. The path went through a small forest with lots of trees. It wasn't long before we reached the main road. Our teacher said we should stay together at all times. Everyone followed directions well and returned safely. Okay, so listening script 2, comprehension. Listen and answer the comprehension questions. Some people enjoy reading while Some people enjoy reading while others love sports. It doesn't matter how much you read or play as long as you try. We should respect the choices people make. Many of us learn well when we work with others. That's why group projects help us grow. Comprehension questions. What activities do people enjoy? 2. What matters most when doing activities? 3. What should we do about others' choices? 4. When do students learn well? 5. Why are group projects useful? Also, if you like this kind of video, if you go to my channel on YouTube, my YouTube channel, you'll find a playlist called Daily English. So the Daily English playlist has videos like this one. You know, day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 100, you know, it's going to be lots. Okay.